Hey guys, if your text fonts look blurry on your Windows 11 computer, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with some quick and easy solutions. So very first thing we need to do is head over to our Start menu, and we're going to search for Settings, and then just head over to the Settings panel. From the left hand side here, we need to come inside of System, inside of Display, and we need to come down to this Scale option here, and you need to make sure this is set to the recommended amount, which for me on my computer is going to be 150%, but just make sure you have this recommended next to it. And then we're going to come down to display resolution and do exactly the same. Make sure your resolution size is just set to this recommended number. And then once you've done that, we can close out of this window, and we're going to head back over to our Start menu, and you're going to search for Clear Type, and you'll see this option appear here where it says Adjust Clear Type Text, which we need to select. And make sure Turn on Clear Type is checked here. And then we can hit Next. And make sure your display monitor is selected from this list and hit Next. Then all you need to do is just select the text that looks the easiest to read and is the clearest on your screen from these two options. So for me, it's going to be this left one and hit Next. And once again, just select the sample text that looks the clearest to you. And once you've selected the text, then hit Next. And do the exact same thing here and hit Next. And once again, select the text that's the easiest to read and hit Next. And it will ask you to do this 5 different times. And finally, we can hit Next, and then just press Finish. Once you've done that, we need to head back over to the Start menu, and this time we're going to search for Run, and then tap on the Run icon. Inside of here, we just need to type in sysdm.cpl and hit Enter. Come over to the Advanced tab from the top. Inside of this Performance section, you'll see an option for Settings, and then you'll have a few options down here. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you've selected out of these options. You just need to ensure that Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts is ticked down here, and then we can press Apply and OK to save these changes. Now, if that still hasn't fixed the issue for you, the very last thing we can do is head back over to the Start menu, and this time we're going to search for Registry Editor, and then head over to the Registry Editor application. Now, before we make any changes to the Registry Editor, it's always worth making a backup, as this contains important and sensitive files. So if you simply come over to File at the top here and select Export, then we can give our backup a name. So I'm just going to call it Backup, and then we can click on Save. Now, that way, if we do need to restore this Registry Editor to a previous point, we can just come back over to File and select Import, and select our backup file to import. So once you've created your backup, we need to expand this folder here for HKey Current User inside of Control Panel, and we need to click on this desktop folder. Down in the files on the right, you need to locate a file called Win8DPI Scaling, which is this one down here. And we're simply going to double click on this file, and you need to change the value data from 0 to 1 and hit OK. And once you've done that, we're just going to right click on this white space somewhere here and come over to New. Select DWORD 32-bit value, and you need to give this the name log pixels, and make sure to start the word pixels with a capital P and hit Enter on your keyboard. And once we've created this file, we're just going to double click on it, and you're going to change the value data to 78 and hit OK. And once we've done that, we'll need to restart our computer for all of our changes to take effect. And once you've restarted your computer, that should have fixed the issue with any blurry fonts on your Windows 11 computer. Now, if you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.